Hello kids, welcome to Soaring Kids TV. Today we will learn capital letter A to Z. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. This is letter A. A is for alligator. Okay? Draw a slanting line. Go to the top and draw another slanting line. Go to the middle and draw a small sleeping line. This is capital letter A. Okay, which letter comes after A? Come on, tell me kids. Yes, this is letter B. B is for ball. Go to the top and draw one standing line. Draw a curve line, again curve line. This is capital letter B. Okay kids. Next letter is, come on tell me, letter C. C is for cat. Okay kids. Draw a big curve line. Okay, this is letter C. Okay, come on tell me which letter next? Which letter comes to next? Come on. Yes, letter D. D is for dog. Very good kids. Draw a standing line. Go to the top and draw a curve line. This is letter D. Very good. Great job kids. Next letter is E. E is for eagle. Okay? E is for eagle. Draw a standing line and 3 sleeping line. Okay? This is capital letter E. Okay kids? Do you understand? Yes, very good. Which letter comes after E? Come on, tell me. Yes, F. F is for fish. Draw a standing line. Okay kids? And 2 sleeping line. Very good. This is letter F. Okay, very good. Which letter comes after F? Come on, tell me. G. G is for gun. Draw a big curved line and a small sleeping line and a standing line. This is capital letter G. Very good kids. Which letter comes after G? Yes, H. H is for hand. Very good kids. Draw 2 standing line and a sleeping line. This is letter H. Very good kids. Which letter comes after H? Come on, tell me. Yes, I. I is for ink pot. Very good kids. Draw a standing line and 2 small sleeping line. This is letter I. Very good kids. Which letter comes after I? J. Very good. J is for jug. Okay kids. Draw a standing line and a small curve, a sleeping line. Okay. This is letter J. Very good kids. Next letter is K. K is for kite. Draw a standing line and 2 slanting line. This is letter K. Okay. I hope you like this video. Yes. Next letter is L. L is for lion. Okay kids. Draw a standing line and a small sleeping line. This is letter L. Okay kids. Well done. Very well. Next letter is M. M is for monkey. Okay kids. Draw a standing line, slanting line down, slanting line up, Standing line down. This is letter M. Okay. Next letter is, come on, tell me kids. N. N is for nurse. Okay. N is for nurse. Draw a standing line, slanting line down, slanting line, standing line up. This is letter N. Okay. Next letter is, come on, tell me which letter next. Yes, O. O is for orange. Draw a big circle line. Okay. This is O. Which letter comes after O? P. P is for peas. Okay. Draw a standing line and a small curved line. This is letter P. Next letter is Q. Q is for queen. Okay kids. Draw a big circle line and a slanting line to the middle. Okay. This is letter Q. This is letter R. R is for rat. Draw a standing line, a small curved line and a slanting line. This is letter R. Okay kids? This is letter R. Next letter is S. S is for sun. Make a small curve down, then another curve up. It looks like a snake. That's letter S. Okay? Next letter is T. T is for tiger. Draw one standing line, then add a line on the top. This is letter T. Which letter comes after T? Yes, U. U is for umbrella. Make a curve going down and then up again. Yes, that's capital U. Next letter comes after U? Yes, V. Make a slanting line down, then another slanting line up. This is capital letter V. Okay kids, very well done. Next letter is W. Slanting line down, up, down, up. This is letter W. Okay. Next letter comes after W. Come on, tell me kids. Letter X. X is for Xmas tree. Make one slanting line. Now cross it with another slanting line. This is capital letter X. Okay kids? Next letter comes after X. Y. Okay? Make two slanting lines at the top like a small V. Now add a standing line below. That's capital letter Y. Okay? Finally, letter Z. Z is for zebra. Draw a sleeping line, slanting line, again sleeping line. This is letter Z. Okay? Great job kids. You have learned all the capital letters A to Z. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.